Hi, I'm Shay from Bitly's marketing team. Today we're going to walk through how to set up the Bitly and Sprout Social integration so you can stop manually shortening links for your social media posts and track engagement across various marketing channels all within Bitly. So let's start by logging into Sprout Social. Next, scroll down to the Account and Settings button and click Settings. Then click Integrations on the left-hand side and click Connect under the Bitly logo. You're going to click Connect again and then allow the authorization. Find the group. You may only have one group depending on how your account is set up. And that's it. You're connected. So let's go ahead and schedule a post. I'm going to start my post and paste in the long link. Then click Shorten Links. Depending where you want to post this, you can either leave the URL or delete it. And then scroll down and decide when you'd like to schedule the post, or go ahead and post it right then and there. Once it posts, you can pop back over to bitly.com and your Connections platform dashboard to see its performance in the Analytics tab. With Bitly and Sprout Social and integration, you can streamline your workflow, track the link performance, and make the most of your social media efforts.